And now we will discuss the recent breaches and what these multi-million-dollar companies did wrong and they got breached.
Okay, so we just looked at Russian market as one of the most notorious places to get stolen credentials. Well, in some cases, these stolen credentials are available for free. Look no further than Fortinet itself, where 15,000 firewalls configuration data, including username password combinations and their IP addresses, were actually made available for free. And security researchers confirmed the correctness of this data by mapping it to internet-exposed Fortinet devices utilizing the infamous search engine Shodan. And going back to Snowflake, largest breach in the history, we also found the same common denominator. It was again Infostealers. In this case, 165 victim organizations were impacted through this breach. And the root cause? Well, 80% of the accounts leveraged by the threat actor had prior credential exposure on the dark web. I will let that sink in for a second. So 80% of the accounts leveraged by the threat actor were already on the dark web. And if proper monitoring was in place for these dark web related activities, then the impact of this breach would not be this far-fetched. So I think this provides some context as to how big of a problem stealer logs are in today's threat landscape.